Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indus Business School. Today we have with us Mr. Akshay Chirmade, SAP FICO consultant at TCS. Welcome to the institute, sir. Sir, I would like to know first of all, how was your interaction with our students?
It was nice to. This campus is very nice. Students, they seem very interested in this. So, I mean, the feedback that I have received from physical interaction, so it was very nice.
I would like to know for our students who are watching us on social media that please tell us in brief what is SAP and what are its advantages.
SAP is basically an ERP system. So where you have different SAP modules in it. Like it can help you as a backbone of the company. So it will help you manage your operations, the financial operations, management, all the procurement, sales. Everything is managed by SAP. So it is like a whole package to control your management system.
So what guidance you would like to give to our students that they should learn in these 2 years regarding SAP?
My main advice would be to focus on business processes. Like SAP, you will learn it like you can learn it anytime. But the business process in the background, you should be more focused to that, how the business process works. What happens in the background is more important.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.